This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for you and your partner for the month of June to July. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your partner and then see how's the guidance. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Gemini, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you, Gemini, in the relationship? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance from the love reading? So let us see. First of all, you both are very, very different people, and it's like people who are opposite or very different tend to have more attraction between them, because you see, Gemini, you're this naked person and you're facing towards the left side, and your partner is all dressed up, has a crown, and is facing the other side. So the two of you are not getting enough time to talk to each other, and you both are poles apart. So while your partner is someone is not so intense, you're very, very intense, very, very particular about what is said, how it is said, how things should be done. So I totally see very big personality mismatch between the two of you. It's like not really a mismatch, but very different personalities here. The two of you being together means either the two of you are not interfering with each other's style of working, or the two of you are giving a lot of space to each other. This is also two people who are very mature, and they accept how the other person is. So purely on these cards, the two of you could be connecting more, going on a more holidays. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? One of your strengths is Gemini. You can go very fast. If you want something, you're going to go very, very fast. You're going to be very passionate, and you work with the energy of fire, that I want it and it should happen, and so on. So I just totally see is you going very fast, wanting to get that thing. Your partner, on the other hand, moves very slow or with a lot of caution and doubt. He or she will keep rechecking, checking again, once again, to be sure that he or she is not making mistakes. So your partner is very conservative or very modest in their approach, and is also exceptionally cautious, while you are very independent, very free thinking, and you go very fast when your heart has a calling, or when you're passionate about something. You may be having a traveling job also, Gemini. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as somebody very successful, somebody who has a very good career, is very good looking, and has a lot of fan following. It's quite possible that your partner is very popular, and totally you love to be with your partner, Gemini. So very beautiful guidance here. It's quite possible the two of you met in some kind of a travel or a trip. Your partner sees you as someone who's very cautious in terms of money, or you spend very less money, or you don't like to spend way more than, or go too big with money. So your partner sees you as very cautious, and with money your heart is with baby steps. So you go very slow and soft with money. Now, what is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? Your partner is completely sold out that the two of you are meant to be together, Gemini. Your partner feels you're a soulmate connection, and you both will be very happy together. So you're this naked person, and your partner sees him or herself to be naked with you, and therefore the very beautiful connection in the future, or very strong, long lasting connection. You see your partner as becoming abusive or very controlling in the future if he or she doesn't give up the way they are right now. And this concern is very true. Sometimes, partner, you come across as arrogant, you speak very few words, and you don't explain yourself. So, you want to change that energy about you because Gemini very rightfully believes this relationship could turn a bit abusive because of how much you don't talk or tell. So, if you see your partner is trying to match the energy with you in the future, and you are saying you won't be able to match the energy, instead it will become abusive from your partner's side. And that concern is very true because you are holding a sword and sitting, and the two of you are not really talking as much. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Gemini, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, first of all, your partner, I'll talk about the partner. Your partner is a very nice person, genuinely a very, very nice person. He or she is very tough with the business or how they want to do things. In the past, also, your partner has been very sensitive. They'll go great lengths to reach a loved one. So, maybe this is just a tough exterior that your partner likes to keep. And your past energies, you're very successful, Gemini. You are very successful with communication, with your mind, and you would totally like to win and take what is there as an opportunity for you. So in the past, it's possible you have made a proposal to this partner. I'm seeing a certain proposal. It's quite possible the two of you are engaged also, Gemini, you and your partner. Now let us see how's overall the guidance for the love reading. See, overall the guidance is one of you doesn't feel all the love, and maybe this relationship should be more free like a bird. The two of you have too close boundaries, that you are not feeling free and happy as you should be. So here is the guidance which is saying that set yourselves free and don't have such close and tight boundaries in the relationship. So this is how the guidance is, Gemini, for you and your partner.